To record a missing tag order using HardWatch, select the plus sign on the home screen. From here, you can search it, the option in your search bar on top. If you scroll down, you'll find the missing tag option. When you select on a task, it gives you the option then to input your date of order. Then you can select your tag type. So when you click on your list, it'll give you your different types of tags that are available. From there, then you can select your tag supplier. So any tag suppliers that are available will be in the list. You can also input who the order is logged by, as well as inputting the cost or any notes that you may have. When you press next, it'll bring you through to your animal selection list. From here then, you can search through the list by scrolling, selecting the animals from the list, or else you can search using the search icon in the right hand corner. When you're happy with the animals that are selected, press save, and this will give you an overview of the order. From here, you can click on animals just to confirm your animals that are in the order and also review the details. Once happy, you can press submit this order. It'll ask you to confirm the details, and once you select continue, it'll give you the option to input your 6-digit HardWatch PIN, and your order will be sent through to your tag supplier. To record a missing tag order using HardWatch, select the plus sign on the home screen. From here, you can search it, the option in your search bar on top. If you scroll down, you'll find the missing tag option.